Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to add a professional watermark to your Microsoft Word documents. Whether you need to add a confidential stamp or insert your own company logo, I will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document, look at the ribbon menu at the top of your screen and click on the Design tab. Next, look over to the far right side of the ribbon and you will see a button labeled Watermark. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear showing some ready-to-use presets like Confidential, Draft, or Do Not Copy. If one of these fits your needs, simply click it, and Word will instantly apply it behind your text across all pages. But what if you want something more personalized? It is just as simple. At the bottom of that same drop-down menu, click on Custom Watermark. A new window will open up. To create a specific text watermark, select the Text Watermark option. Here you can type your own custom phrase, choose a different font, and adjust the size and color. Once you have it set up, click Apply and then OK. If you prefer to use an image or your brand logo, open that Custom Watermark window again, but this time select Picture Watermark. Click the Select Picture poster button and locate the image file on your computer. I highly recommend keeping the washout box checked. This slightly fades your logo so that your document text remains easy to read. Click OK, and your logo will be seamlessly integrated into the background. And that is all there is to it. Your document is now branded and protected. If you've found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching.